Hello, food lovers! Fancy a trip to the Mediterranean without leaving your kitchen? This dish is your passport. Sun-kissed flavors, vibrant colors, and good-for-you ingredients all come together in a bowl. It's the Mediterranean quinoa bowl with roasted veggies, and it's a winner. This isn't just a recipe, it's an invitation to explore fresh, exciting flavors, to nourish your body with wholesome goodness, and to enjoy a meal that bursts with the colors and aromas of the Mediterranean. Imagine fluffy quinoa bursting with nutty flavor, tender crisp veggies roasted to perfection, and a tangy, herbaceous dressing that brings it all together. Are you ready to dive in? Let's get cooking! Every great dish has its star players. These are the ingredients that not only stand out but also bring the entire dish together, creating a symphony of flavors and textures. In this Mediterranean symphony of flavors, we have a few key ingredients that steal the show, each one adding its unique touch to the final masterpiece. Quinoa. This little seed is a nutritional powerhouse. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. Plus, it's gluten-free and packed with fiber, making it a great choice for a healthy and satisfying meal. Whether you use it as a base for salads or as a side dish, quinoa is versatile and easy to prepare. Roasted veggies. We're talking vibrant colors and incredible flavors. Think bell peppers, red onions, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes. Roasting brings out their natural sweetness and gives them a lovely smoky char. These vegetables not only add a burst of color to your plate, but also a depth of flavor that is simply irresistible. Mediterranean dressing. This is where the magic happens. A simple blend of olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and herbs like oregano and basil creates a dressing that's bursting with fresh, zesty flavor. This dressing ties all the ingredients together, adding a refreshing and tangy note that elevates the entire dish. Feta cheese. A sprinkle of crumbled feta adds a salty, tangy kick that perfectly complements the other flavors in the bowl. This cheese not only enhances the taste, but also adds a creamy texture that balances the crunchiness of the vegetables and the fluffiness of the quinoa. Each ingredient plays a vital role, creating a harmonious blend of textures and tastes that will leave you feeling satisfied and energized. The combination of these elements results in a dish that is not only delicious, but also nutritious, making it a perfect choice for any meal of the day. Cooking quinoa is easy peasy. With just a few simple steps, you can master the art of making perfectly fluffy quinoa every single time. Here's how to get it perfectly fluffy every time. Follow along and you'll be a quinoa pro in no time. Rinse and drain. Start by rinsing 1 cup of quinoa under cold water. This step is crucial as it removes the natural coating called saponin, which can make the quinoa taste bitter. This removes any bitterness and ensures fluffy results. Make sure to drain it well to avoid any excess water. Simmer to perfection. Add the rinsed quinoa to a pot with 2 cups of water or vegetable broth. Using broth instead of water can add an extra layer of flavor to your quinoa. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Keep an eye on it to make sure it doesn't boil over. Fluff it up. Once the quinoa has absorbed all the liquid and little tails appear, remove it from the heat and let it sit covered for 5 minutes. This resting period helps the quinoa to finish cooking and become even fluffier. Then fluff it with a fork. This step separates the grains and gives you that light, airy texture. Top tip: for an extra flavor boost, try toasting the quinoa before cooking. This simple step can elevate your dish to the next level. Simply heat a dry pan over medium heat and toast the quinoa for a few minutes, stirring constantly until fragrant. Be careful not to burn it. You want a nice golden brown color. This enhances its nutty flavor and adds a delightful crunch to your dishes. Enjoy your perfectly cooked quinoa. Section 4. Roasting the rainbow. Veggie time. Roasting vegetables brings out their natural sweetness, and it's easier than you think. First, prep your veggies. This step is crucial for ensuring that all the flavors meld together beautifully. Chop your favorite veggies into bite-sized pieces. This makes them cook evenly and ensures every bite is packed with flavor. We love using bell peppers, red onions, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes as they add a vibrant mix of colors and tastes. But feel free to get creative. Next, drizzle and toss. This step helps to coat the veggies evenly with oil and seasonings. Spread the veggies on a baking sheet, drizzle with olive oil, ensuring each piece gets a bit of that rich flavor. And season generously with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs. Toss to coat evenly, then roast to perfection. The right seasoning can make all the difference. Roast in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes, keeping an eye on them to ensure they don't overcook, or until tender and slightly charred around the edges. This charring adds a delightful smoky flavor. Top tip: for even roasting, make sure your veggies are spread out in a single layer on the baking sheet. Don't overcrowd the pan, or they'll steam instead of roast. This ensures they get that perfect crispy texture. Section 5. Dressing it up. Mediterranean magic. This simple dressing adds a burst of fresh, zesty flavor that complements the quinoa and roasted veggies perfectly. First, whisk it up. In a small bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup olive oil, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 minced garlic clove, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, half a teaspoon dried basil, salt, and pepper to taste. Next, taste and adjust. Give it a taste and adjust the seasonings to your liking. If you like it tangier, add a bit more lemon juice. Top tip: for an extra flavor boost, use fresh herbs instead of dried. Chop them finely and add them to the dressing just before serving. Section 6. Building your bowl, a culinary canvas. Now comes the fun part, assembling your bowl. First, start with a base. Spoon a generous portion of cooked quinoa into each bowl. Next, add your veggies. Pile on those colorful roasted veggies. Then drizzle with dressing. Drizzle your desired amount of dressing over the quinoa and veggies. Finally, top it off. Sprinkle with crumbled feta cheese, fresh herbs like parsley or mint, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a touch of heat if you like. Top tip: get creative with your toppings. Add some protein with chickpeas, lentils, or grilled chicken. Or add a sprinkle of chopped nuts or seeds for extra crunch. Section 7. Leftovers, a delicious dilemma. This recipe makes a generous amount, perfect for lunch the next day, or even meal prepping for the week ahead. For storage, store the quinoa, roasted vegetables, and dressing separately in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For reheating, reheat the quinoa and veggies separately before assembling your bowl. Top tip: the quinoa will soak up some of the dressing over time, so you might want to add a splash more when serving leftovers. There you have it, a taste of the Mediterranean sunshine, right in your own kitchen, packed with nutrients, bursting with flavor, and so easy to make. It's time to gather your ingredients and get cooking. Your taste buds will thank you.